Now the backend install has been completed, the final steps are via the web WordPress installer. Enter the VPS's IP address in a browser and press enter. The first page of the installer will be loaded, which asks you to choose a default language. Choose one and then click Continue. Now fill in information about your site. Enter a site title, for example blog. You also need to set a default username, which will have admin rights to the site. Here we've used the name admin. Now enter a password. Ideally the password should be a strong password. Here we're just going to use a weak password that is memorable. If you do use a weak password, click Confirm Use of a Weak Password. Enter an email address in the Your Email form box. Here we're just going to use a dummy email address, dummy@dummy.com. Then click Continue, and WordPress will confirm that it's been installed successfully. Click Login. Now enter the login information you just created in the previous steps and click Login. Now the front-end web interface of WordPress will be loaded. If you click the Visit Site link, you'll be taken to the WordPress default pages. And you'll see the default site.